Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video. Today I'm in the kitchen today doing a review video of this small mini blender. Okay. And I'm back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm showing you this product. It's the smoothie blender machine. It's a mini blender, and there it is in its there's a picture of it on a box, and then here's the machine. It's very lightweighted, it's very easy to move around, and stainless steel, and the name on the front. And it comes in the box with two sports bottles and the blade and the rubber seal, and also it comes with the structure manual and the 20% discount on the website there if you want to. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a smoothie machine and make a smoothie. Alright, here we go. So you can take the lid off. I'm going to pour some milk in it. There's the bottle as well. Up to 40. Try to speed it up a bit. Okay, just there. And then put some bananas. Gonna make a banana smoothie. Okay. Right, then put the blade on. Okay, make sure it's sealed. Right. Now put it onto the machine. Make sure it lines up with the arrows. Right. Now press the button. Okay, and that's it. Thank you. Now I'm going to take it off and take it off unscrew the blade. Put this on. And there you go. That's it. Here's my banana milkshake, and it was very quick and easy to make, and I'm going to test drink it now. Tastes good. That's it. And then it was a great product, and I give it a good thumbs up. Thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon until you know when the next video drops. And if you want to purchase this product as well, all you got to do is go to the link down in the description and press the link, and you head straight to Amazon to purchase this product. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.